Alright, so now we learn how to find the notes on the D string. Let's move on and try to find the notes on the G string. We're gonna use our A string as the basis to find the notes on the G string. So like we did for the E and D, we're gonna do the same pattern for the A and G. So we're gonna place our finger 1 on the note, like for example here it's C. And then you're gonna move our finger 3 on the G string and 2 frets to the front. So C, C. And that way we will find the octave. Okay, so let's go from the beginning here. A, B, C, C, D, D, E, F, G, and A. So again, I'm just moving and dragging my finger on that pattern without changing that. You need to follow that pattern of you skip a string and 2 frets to the front. If you don't do that, you're gonna have this sound. Let's say if you don't do the 2 frets to the front, that's not an octave, that's not the same note. Or if you do 3 frets to the front, it sounds even worse, eh? So always obey that for the E and D, and always obey that pattern for the A and G string.